Hello everyone, welcome back to the Opulent Life. This is Ozzy here again, and today I will be unboxing a set of body sprays by Kenneth Cole, the Mankind series. I got this as a Christmas present and I will be showing these to you, unboxing them and testing them out and seeing what they are. So this will be a relatively short video, so let's get started. So the cover, you have Mankind Kenneth Cole written with a background of glass buildings. There's 3 body sprays in here, so each weighs 6 ounces, 170 grams. And on the top right, you can see over here, it says paraben free, cruelty free. So environmental social governance again for you guys. On the flip side, you have the 3 images of the 3 body sprays that they're giving to you. So one is Mankind by Kenneth Cole in all black. The center one is Mankind Legacy by Kenneth Cole in the light blue. And then on the right hand side, you have Mankind Hero, which is all black but with a silver cap on top. So we shall be taking out all 3 of these. On this side, you can see just has the directions of usage and manufacturing information written over here. And then on this side, you have all the ingredients, all safe, legal, compliant in terms of regulatory information. So it also tells you that once you open them, they're good for about 24 months. And it is a flammable substance. On the bottom, there's nothing. The top, you just have Mankind Kenneth Cole written. So let's take this out then. It will be a bit of a struggle because there is tape here and I'm wearing gloves, but I'll try. There you go. Finally got it off. Very sticky. Get this off. So this is 1. This is 2. And last but not least, this is 3. So this is actually not, it looks black here, but now that I'm looking at it, it's actually dark navy blue in color. So we'll get to it in a second. We have all 3 laid out in front of us. Now I got this package as a gift, but later on I found out it's actually from Nordstrom Rack. So they have a lot of gift items during these holiday seasons and during important events like Valentine's, or Memorial Day sales, Labor Day sales, and especially around Thanksgiving and Christmas. So you often find these things at a rather steep discount than they would normally go for on regular days. I think this one, I don't have the exact amount, but I believe it was for $20, whereas the retail price of this package would be $45. So that's more than 50% off. That's a steal deal. And I did need some body sprays, so perfect timing, right? Okay, so let's start with this one, the one that I was calling all black. This is black, but I feel that there is a hue of blue in it too. Actually, no, my mistake. This is the one that is actually all black. The blue one is over here. That's the hero one. So this is Mankind Kenneth Cole all black. It's 6 ounce body spray. You have the barcode and everything on it, all the ingredients as well. Now with body sprays, they don't last more than 15 minutes, so it's just ready for getting out of the shower and feeling fresh. So you have this swivel cap on the top. It's actually dark brown in color. So let's give it a shot and see how it feels. Okay, very nice atomizer. Let's see. So this smells exactly like their perfume. I get very close hints of Mankind all over from this, and it's rather nice. I gotta say, it's very nice, very nice. It feels very light, very airy, very refreshing. Yeah, it's very emanating, and yeah, definitely. It's not the typical after shower lemony freshness that you get. This is a nice airy light type of freshness that you get from, for example, lavender or something like soft mint and fresh fabric softener a little bit. I actually like fabric softener smells. So and some fresh linen all mixed together in this. perfect packaging. I'm also getting some hints of some floral notes as well. Particularly, feels like there's a little bit of musk and jasmine in there too for the backdrop, and that is, yeah, it's actually very nice. I'm surprised. Wasn't expecting it to smell this good. Oh, this is very good. Okay, so this one's a hit for sure, and I think I would recommend this for, like, you know, pretty much everyday use. You can use it for the gym, you can use it for after shower, you can use it at night, you know, daytime even maybe. But this, I feel like the notes in here are more geared towards evening, even though body spray is meant to be used all day long. But this one feels more evening like, more like going out with your friends, hang out type, like late evening, very casual. So yeah, I do like this. I'm gonna let it sit on my skin for a bit and give you guys my final verdict at the end. But for now, the top notes and everything feels really good. I'm just gonna set this down here. I tend to roll over left to right, so I'll try to keep it in one place. Next up, we have this light blue. I'm just gonna make this stand because they're just rolling around everywhere. All right, this next one is Mankind Legacy. So you have the same exact design but in a light blue color. So let's give this a shot and see what this feels like on the other side of my arm. Okay, here we go. All right. Oh wow. Okay, very different note breakdown. This is a lot more floral, a lot more fabric softener, a lot more fresh in a different way. So this is much lighter, much more airier, much more up in the clouds type of feeling. So yeah. There is some white musk in there. It's being used differently, and I can feel the notes in there. And this one is a little bit more old school, surprisingly. The other one was more modern. This one has a little bit more of a green, fougere, old school musk type of feel, but with a little bit of airiness, you know. So I think older guys would like this a little bit better. This one, I think, is geared towards younger guys, 20s, 30s, you know, mostly. This one, I think, is gearing more towards late 40s and 50s, you know, the back in the day type of deo sprays. Yeah, this is definitely something my dad would certainly like. This is like very 90s feeling, aquatic, nautical. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. Aquatic and nautical type of feeling from this body spray. This one is definitely more modern, more outgoing, more in the scene these days. Feels like it's, you know, up to date with time. This one is like, I won't say out of date, but feels more classic, more classic. Yeah, for sure. This is like more aftershavey, fougere. It is airy. It's not like the heavy fougere, heavy musk, but there is light musk, and it's giving a very 90s feel to it, like a 90s barbershop feel, but a little bit more airiness to it, a little bit lighter, more airiness. Of course, there's some modern elements to it that are giving it more of a lift than a typical one, but this is definitely more classic. So let's put this to the side and let's try the final one now. This next one is navy blue in color. It's called Mankind Hero. The blue one was Legacy and the black one was just Mankind. So this is a navy blue bottle, silver top, pretty so it's the same dimensions, nothing more to say about it. It's just a cylinder like the others. So I'm going to use my other hand on this one. I'm wearing my Pagani design, by the way, guys. Holding pretty well. All right, here we go. Okay. Oh. Okay, this is certainly much heavier. Yeah, this is more, how do you know about this body spray? This is feeling very heavy and dense. very dark. There's a lot of heavy elements in this one, definitely geared towards darker musk and getting hints of tobacco and some leather in here too. I don't know why, but yeah, this is certainly very, very different from these two. I mean, these two are different, but this one is very different. This is like complete opposite of what you would expect from a deo spray. This actually smells like a fragrance. I'm actually gonna try it one more time just so I can get a better sense of it. Yeah, this is very heavy. This is more like a fragrance would smell like when you're going out for like a date night. You know, very sweet, but not, and it's sweet and bitter at the same time. So can't quite latch on to whether it's more sweet or bitter. I feel it starts off sweet, but then it becomes very bitter, more gourmandy as it goes forward, like very rum and musky. So I mean, this is mixture of old school and new school together. I wouldn't call it completely old school because rum, musky fragrances are definitely in for the winters these days, and younger guys do rock them. But back in the day, rum and musky type of fragrances like Fahrenheit, Aramis were worn by older guys. So it's a mix of both. I think this can go both ways. I think definitely older guys would like it better, 40s, 50s. But some of this younger demographic may like it too. But this is really heavy. I don't know if this is actually a suitable deo spray for casual wear. This might be something, you know, more date nighty or out on vacation maybe. Certainly does not give casual vibe. This is like a full-blown fragrance in a deo spray bottle. I don't know, it might even last longer than your typical deo spray. So that's actually good, but it's kind of unusual to have this from a deo spray. But anyway, so those were the 3 deo sprays that I reviewed today. It's my first deo spray review on this channel. So just got this for Christmas, decided to share with you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.